6 a.m. and I'm up again. I got tired eyes, need a cup of blend. That's right, in the AM, that's my only friend. No light, just the sun coming up on.
So, on the first video, I was showing you guys that the cradle was hitting the air conditioning pump, or whatever you want to call it, the AC pump. So, I just started the car, and you know, before I started, I just let it run for a second. I cut it off. Didn't think too much of it. One, it didn't have a belt on it. Now it has a serpentine belt on it, and I went on ahead and started the car, and the air conditioning pump started smoking. Bad. Two things happened. One, the pulley on it is bent, and two, it was still receiving power because it just, if it, you know, sees anything, it kicks on like normal. The clutches kick on, but I think the clutches was still engaged when I turned it on because it was smoking bad. So I hurried up and turned it off, and just unplugged it. So right now it'll run, but the AC pump clutch is wobbly real bad. So I'm gonna have to replace that as well. So pretty much the whole air conditioning stuff I'm gonna have to replace. But what I'm gonna replace right now, all right, so what I gotta replace right now is this doohickey. So as you see, it's broke. Actually, I just took this bolt out here, and it's loose. Let me see if I can get it out. There we go. So that's broke, but I got another one. I got the new one right here. So what I gotta do now is just basically take this cover off. I don't think it'll be too hard. And then I have to take this bracket off here. It's bolts underneath. Let's get that off. Alrighty. First time looking at it. Probably should check the plugs too, and it probably need a valve cover gasket. It's really oily. Yeah, I probably need a valve cover gasket. Well, I need to get so I'm not sure if this is gonna hold if I take this off. So let me go find the engine cradle thing that holds the engine up real quick, and I'll be right back. All right, so it's a good thing that I'm changing the motor mount because two pieces. So that's the new one there, and this part here went on like flat. So we're gonna reuse this part for sure, but the mount is toast. But I need the screw out of here. I'm gonna put in a new one. Oh, got butterfingers there. All right, now let's throw this one to the side, and then take our new one and finagle it back down in here. If I can get it down in there. All right, here we go. It's kind of hard to do with one hand. I'm not mad at you, buddy. All right, so we got the motor mount on. Let me show you. We got it on, installed. All good there. The next thing is the AC condenser. It did come in while we was doing the motor mount. So I'm gonna go grab that real quick and bring it out, and we're gonna install that. Okay? Be right back. All right, so this is the I haven't even seen it, so we looking at it together. Let's see here. And yep, there's the kitty cat. There we go. Yeah, that looks good there so far. I meant to get something to cut that. But yeah, there's the old one. Alright, so the only thing you have to do is 210s by the wheel wells and 4, let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 push-in plastic tabs. And once you do that, you should be able to just pull it off. Like so. I'm just going to leave it just like that because the condenser slides in right here, goes through here, and connects up. Let's see here. That's if, you know what, I don't think, being at this right here, I don't know if I'll be able to. Let me see if I can take this off somewhat. I don't think so. I thought this was going to be easy. Man. So I'm going to have to remove this. Alrighty. Let's go grab some more tools. So that's it today on the Ultimate Altima. I wasn't going to do too much besides that and put that condenser in. The next thing I need, I got to put on my list that I didn't do is a mirror. Now the mirror that I have, let me show you. Yeah, the mirror that I have, it has the turn signal built in, and I need to find one of those. But when I was at the junkyard, I really didn't notice none of them had that feature. So I got to look out for that, and I need a front bumper. That's why I didn't care. I know some of you guys are like, oh, why are you leaving a bumper laying down like that? You'll scratch it up bad. The bumper is destroyed. It's barely holding together. That's why I just flinged it off and just left it as is, because it didn't matter about it. So other than that, thank you guys for watching. Please comment, like, and subscribe. Until then, I guess I'll see you guys later. Deuces.